Yo, welcome back to Containing Luxury. On this episode, we're actually going to be discussing where we've been, because I'm sure you noticed we were away.
On the road, having fun, back at it.
I'm sure you guys have noticed we've kind of been posting a video here and there. I wish I could blame it on what's going on in the world because it's insanity, but it's not. It has nothing to do with that. I've actually just been completely off the grid, running back and forth between, where was I in Texas? San Antonio, Texas. So anyway, we've been in San Antonio, we've been back in Florida, we've been driving back and forth, a lot of commuting, and we're not quite ready to tell you why we've been in San Antonio, but stay tuned because it's gonna be pretty cool. All I can say is we've got 2 more containers behind this container, 20 foots. We have 6 containers on the land in San Antonio, and we have a bunch more coming. So there's something really cool that we have going on out there, and we're gonna probably be releasing sometime in the next 3 to 4 weeks exactly what's happening there. And then we're gonna open it up to you guys to be able to come down and check it out as well. So stay tuned about that. Where we've been is this drastic commute of transporting materials, everything that we need to build out there and still be able to build here. So really just inventorying everything. And I'm sure with all of you as well, with the COVID-19, we'll call it, pandemic that's just, changed everyone's lives on how they're doing everything. We took that time to really consolidate everything down. Anything we didn't need, anywhere we could cut expenditures, we've really leaned down our businesses and focused on what the bare minimum, and especially with what our Containing Luxury is, minimalist living. And we've been doing an inventory on ourselves of really toning down our life, getting rid of anything and everything that we didn't need or we could save on. And that's really what's kind of driven this San Antonio, Texas, which I know sounds like it's a new project and something else, and it is, but we've been selling rental properties. We got rid of virtually everything that was gonna take us away, or it took away time and money from really what we're trying to focus on. So we're gonna be discussing a lot of that, of where Containing Luxury is going, and some of the new stuff that we're gonna be opening up to you guys. Now we're gonna be back at it. Ryan's gonna come out to Texas. We're gonna be filming out there, and we've got one more trip to make. This time I'm flying, and some of my buddies are actually driving right now with my truck and trailer back to Florida for us to load up the last of the stuff. They're gonna be driving it back, and I'm jumping on a plane, lucky me, to fly back and hopefully arrive when they get there. So anyway, I know I just told you a lot of information that pretty much told you no information, but it's exciting, it's cool, and it's gonna be really, it's gonna be open to you guys. So stay tuned. I know we've been away, but we're back, and hey, thanks for sticking with us. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Containing Luxury out, but we're back.